And obviously, passing first time, it's a great experience. I would recommend.
Yeah. And obviously, when you're coming in, the curb.
Yeah.
So what have we not to do?
Their first time with Simon, 0 minors.
My name is Amelia and I passed first time with Simon with only 2 minors. And I'm really happy for Simon because he's my first.
0. Well done to you. And what do you think about your driving instructor?
Very good.
Are you going to recommend?
Good morning.
Good morning.
How did your lesson go this morning?
Yeah, I think it
Did you enjoy it?
Yeah, I really enjoyed it.
So what was the good parts on it? What did you...
And who was the best? And are you going to recommend me? And well done for passing today. Thank you.
40 hours, got it done in 43. Much appreciated.
I recommend
Why did you choose Learn Driving UK?
I heard about it from friends who passed first time and they really enjoyed it and developed really well.
And do you think it...
I just passed my test today with Simon at Horsforth. Thank you so much, Simon. You've been a brilliant instructor, very patient, and would definitely
You
recommend.
like driving around Wetherby?
Yeah.
Anything that you don't like about it?
No, it's a good area to drive in.
Yeah. What do you think of the speed limits?
Reasonable for the 20 miles.
Off we go.
Thanks to Simon for getting me past first time in Pontefract.
Thank you very much.
To your next lesson we will be doing much the same, bit more roundabouts, more larger roundabouts next time, and a bit more meeting situations with traffic.
Being a paramedic.
Wouldn't do it without you.
Oh, thank you very much. And you've already said you recommended me to your friends, so that's a great help. Thank you.
Simon,
Oh.
the best.
You happy then?
I'm happy.
Are you going to recommend me?
Recommend Simon to everyone.
Oh, thank you very much.
Okay, today I passed my driving test first time with Simon. He's an excellent teacher. I highly recommend it.
About the roundabouts, how do you think it went?
Pretty well. Stole the clutch a bit, but it's okay.
Okay, so you enjoyed the lesson today, and would you recommend Learn Driving UK?